Look at this. I will show you to next week, okay? Double spin and open break, you can apply single word again, right? Okay. And then you do the open break. Because the open break is so sexy move. Like this. From there, back. And there. Open. Back. That's why, you know the leader? Usually the leader doesn't do anything. You don't get tired. That's why I can done 100 really. I don't get tired. Why? I can easy only. Okay? Because I don't really move. They're moving. But you change your partner. That's why. But the leader, you know, continuous, you have to the whole day. You're not getting that. You don't do nothing. All the nothing on you. See, you do nothing. Just like that. Okay? And then the whole screen. Okay? So that's my point is on it. And then, back together. See that? That's true. But the follower is getting more smart. They're getting more, like, stronger the step. Yeah. From the, compared to leader. Only leader, the only thing can do is leading. The best way is for leading. If the leader is not really good to lead the follower, so the partnership is a little bit. Yeah, that's why for the leader. That's why meaning for two of you, you have to be synchronized. You have to be synchronized. Like also, you have to be like. That's why you call it partnership. Yeah, to have a good synchronized. All right. That's why I'm teaching you always the variation from the basic to advanced. Okay? Because that's very important. You cannot jump into advanced without the basic. Yes. So right now, so next week again,